I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Changing your email on Discord is pretty straightforward, so let us get into it. Step 1. Open Discord app. Launch the Discord app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access User Settings. Step 3. Select My Account. In the User Settings menu, choose the My Account option to view your account details. Step 4. Change email. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Note, you might need to verify your current password before making changes. Step 5. Verify your new email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Discord. Click the link in the email to confirm the change. And that's it. Your email on Discord should now be updated. If you run into any issues, double check your spam folder for the verification email. Happy chatting.